intelligence. Firstly, I will talk about the way I am intelligent in. Since I was young in primary school, I had a good sense of numbers. I can find the regularity of series numbers quickly, and I like it very much until now. So when someone is talking about the numbers or the formulas, I can't help taking out a piece of paper, working on it, and gradually I find I am intelligent logically. Now I think I excel at find the correlation between two things, and I can learn many things quickly by using some logical method, such as analyzing the analogy things or related things. Secondly, I will talk about an example that shows the application of the logical method. I use the board. A, B, C, D, 4 people. One of them has stolen some jewelry, and A said, "I didn't steal it." B stole it. B I use the example as an application of a basic method. Is the hypothesis method. Hypothesis. Hypothesis is a method that just assume one of the condition is right or wrong, and infer in order. And if the hypothesis is right, then if the hypothesis is wrong, you will find some contradiction in it. If the hypothesis is right, you will find no contradiction in it. So you can find the answer at last. Let's go back to the question. Question is, who stole it? There are at least two ways to solve the question. We can assume A. We can use. I missed a condition. One of them tell a lie. One of them tell a lie. So the first way is assume A, or what they said is wrong. Such as we assume A is wrong, it is tell a lie. So if A tell a lie, so A according to A steal the jewelry. B tell the if A tell lie, so B, C, D is tell the truth. So according to B side D stole it. So B. So this is the contradiction between A and B. So the hypothesis is not right. Then we can assume B B tell the lie. So I'm confused.
I'm confused now.
Let me think. If you want to try it by yourself. Let me.
Can you answer the question?
A side is right. Side is a lie. If what A side is a lie, so we can infer from A. A is the thief. Then we can infer from B. D is the thief. So it's the contradiction. So the hypothesis is wrong. Then we assume if what B side is a lie. We can infer from A. We can infer from A. A is not the thief. It's not a thief. We can infer from B. D didn't steal it. Steal it. We can infer from C. B is the thief. From D, D is not the thief. So we can find there are no contradiction in the assumption. So the hypothesis is right. Then we got the answer. But if we want to confirm it, we can continue assuming C side or C side is a lie or D side is a lie. But we can find some contradiction in the inference. It's the first way to solve the question. The second way is assume A is the thief. The second one is firstly assume A is the thief. So we can find A, what A side? A side. What A side? Is a lie. What B side? Is also a lie. So we can find the contradiction. So the assumption of A is the thief is not right. So assume B is the thief. We can infer A not A didn't tell a lie. B tell a lie, told a lie. C. You can infer this according to the condition in the problem. It is just the same as the condition that one of them steal the jewelry. So we can draw a conclusion that B is the thief. So there is there are the two ways to solve the problem. Oh, that's all. Any questions?